Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn the problems on ellipse. In the previous class, we discussed about ellipse definition and standard forms. Today we are going to learn some problems. So, find the coordinates of a vertices, lengths of major axis, minor axis, and eccentricity, foci, and length of lateral rectum of the ellipse. Okay, find the coordinates of vertices. Saying అనుకోవాలి vertices and lengths of major axis, minor axis, eccentricity, foci, and length of lateral rectum. These 7 items we have to find out. Okay, so given first one, what is the given? X square, ellipse is x square plus 36 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. This ellipse we have to find out these total 6 values. Okay, so standard form lo convert cheyali. First we have to x square plus by 36 plus y square by 16 equal to 1 given ellipse. So 36 means x square by 6 square, 16 means 4 square, that is y square plus 4 y square by 4 square equal to 1. So compare this equation 1, take this as equation 1, compare this equation with standard form x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. We get x square equal to, so a square equal to 6 square, b square equal to 4 square. Okay, we get x square equal to a square equal to, compare, if we compare with this equation, we get a square equal to 6 square, b square equal to 4 square, that is a equal to 6, b equal to 4. Means which value is greater? A value. ఏది ఎక్కువ ఉంది? A value. Means a is greater than b. A is greater than means the ellipse looks like this. ఈ విధంగా ఉంటుంది. ఏ వాల్యూ ఎక్కువ ఉంటే మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ అనేది ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్ ఉంటుంది, మైనర్ యాక్సిస్ అనేది వై యాక్సిస్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది రిమెంబర్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ యాక్సిస్, మైనర్ యాక్సిస్ ఈజ్ వై యాక్సిస్. అకార్డింగ్ టు దట్ వన్ ఇట్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫార్మ్. సో we have to recollect the formulas. So coordinates of vertices. Coordinates of vertices is plus or minus a comma 0. A means here 6. So plus or minus 6 comma 0. That is plus 6 comma 0 and minus 6 comma 0. Means here one vertex and here ఒక 1 vertex. మధ్యలో ఫోసి ఉంటుంది, లాటరల్ రెక్టమ్ ఉంటుంది, డైరెక్ట్రిక్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, next it is plus or minus a comma 0. Next, length of major axis. Length of major axis is 2a, that is 2 into 6, that is 12. Length of major axis is 2a, x axis కాబట్టి that is 2 into a value 6, that is 12. And length of minor axis 2b, that is 2 into b value is 4, that is 2 into 4 equal to 8. Next, eccentricity. What is the eccentricity? E equal to square root of e value, square root of a square minus b square by a. A means 6, b means 4. So a square 36 minus 16 square root by 6. A value 36 minus 16 means 20, that is root 20 by 6. Root 20 means 4 into 5. 4 into 5. Root 4 means 2. 2 root 5 by 6, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, so root 5 by 3. Eccentricity value is root 5 by 3. This is the eccentricity value. Next, and foci. Foci formula plus or minus ae comma 0. Plus or minus ae comma 0. A means 6, e means root 5 by 3. That is plus or minus 6 into root 5 by 3. 0 and 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. 2 root 5 plus or minus 2 root 5 comma 0 is the foci. Okay, plus 2 root 5 comma 0 and minus 2 root 5 comma 0. Next, length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum formula is 2b square by a, that is b square means 4 square, that is 16. 2 into 16 by a means 6. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, that is 16 by 3 is the length of latus rectum. they asked these 5 values are find out 5, and this length of major axis minor axis. Okay, so first of all em cheyali, first we have to convert it into standard form. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 standard form lo convert cheyali and compare with standard form, and we get a value, b value. Here a equal to 6 and b equal to 4, means a is greater than 4. According to this, a is greater than b, we conclude that the given ellipse is first standard form. ఒకవేళ a less than b ఉంటే second standard form, formulas అన్ని change అవుతాయి. Okay, coordinate, it is first standard form, a is greater than b, so we have to recollect the formulas. Coordinate of vertices plus or minus a comma 0, substitute a value, that is plus or minus 6 comma 0, and length of major axis. Here first standard form, length major axis is x-axis 2a, length of major axis is 2a, that is 2 into a value 6, that is 12, and next length of minor axis 2b, that is 2 into 4, that is 8. Next eccentricity formula, square root of a square minus b square by a by substituting the values, that is square root of 36 minus 16 by 6, that is root 20 by 6. Root 20 means 2 root 5 by 6, that is 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, we get root 5 by 3 is the eccentricity value. So and next 4c is plus or minus a e comma 0, a value is 6 and e value is root 5 by 3 comma 0, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, means 2 root 5 by 2 root 5 comma 0, and length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a. It is for first standard form only, a greater than b, that is 2 into b square means 16 by 3, 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, that is 16 by 3. This is the answer. Next, let us see the next problem. 25x square plus 4y square equal to 100. 25x square plus 4y square equal to 100. Given ellipse is 25x square plus 4y square equal to 100, we have to convert it into standard form, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So RHS must be 1, therefore we have to divide both the equation in LHS RHS divided with 100. Then 25x square by 100 plus 4y square by 100 equal to 100 by 100. 25 1 ja 25, 4 ja means x square by 4, 4 1 ja 4, 25 ja y square by 25, 100 100 1, that is, and 4 means 2 square, x square by 2 square plus y square by 5, 25 means 5 square equal to 1, that is the equation 1. It is the standard form, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. So we have to compare this equation with standard form. Compare equation 1 with standard form, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. X square equal to a square equal to we get 2 square, and b square equal to we get 5 square, means a equal to 2, b equal to 5, means a is less than b, b value ఎక్కువ ఉంది. So it is the ellipse is in this form, means it is standard form 2. Second standard form, major axis is x-axis, y-axis, minor axis is x-axis. Okay, so next formula, a value is 2, remember a value and b value, we get this one, and recollect the formulas of second standard form of ellipse. So coordinates of vertices 0 comma plus or minus b. 0 comma plus or minus b means b value is 5, so 0 comma plus or minus 5. Okay, here a value is 2, b value is 5, therefore 0 comma plus or minus 5. And length of major axis, here major axis is y-axis, therefore length of major axis is 2b, that is 2 into 5, b value is 5, that is 2 into 5, that is 10. And length of minor axis 2a, x-axis is 2 into a value is 2, 2 into 2, 4. Length of major axis, here y-axis is the major axis, that is 2b, and length of minor axis, x-axis is the minor axis, length of 2a values. And eccentricity value, square root of b square minus a square by b. Okay, it is a formula for second standard form, that is square root of b square minus a square by b, that is b square, b ante 5, 5 square means 25, a square 2 square means 4, 25 minus 4 by 5, 25 minus 4 means root 21 by 5, e value is root 21 by 5. Next 4c, that is 0 comma plus or minus b. So 0 comma plus or minus 5 into root 21 by 5, this 5 cancel, 0 comma plus or minus root 21. It is the forcing, and 0 comma root 21 one focus, and 0 comma minus root 21 is the another focus. And length of lattice rectum is equal to 2a square by b. A square means 4, a equal to 4, a square means 4 by b means 5. 2 into 4 8, that is 8 by 5 is the length of lattice rectum. Okay, length of the lattice rectum. These are the values. These are the coordinates of what it says. First we are converted into standard form, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Standard form లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి. x square by a square equal plus y square by b square equal to 1. And compare with standard form, identify a value, b value. A value, b value identify చేస్తే a greater than b or a less than b వస్తుంది. Here in the second case we get a less than b, means it is second standard form. If a greater than b వస్తే, a value ఎక్కువ వస్తే అది first standard form. According to that we have to substitute the formulas. Vertices ఇక్కడ సెకండ్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఫామ్ కాబట్టి vertices 0 కామా ప్లస్ ఆర్ మైనస్ b వాల్యూ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసాం. మేజర్ యాక్సిస్ ఏమవుతుంది, y యాక్సిస్ 2b, length of minor axis is 2a values, and eccentricity here e equal to square root of b square minus a square by b formula, and force is 0 comma plus or minus be, and length of lattice rectum is 2a square by b. Substitute చేస్తే values. Next homework problems. First one, x square by 16 plus y square by 25 equal to 1. Here if you compare with a square equal to 16, means a square equal to 4 square, a equal to 4, and b square equal to 25, means b square equal to 5 square, means b equal to 5, means a less than b. It is second case. And here 169 means 13 square, and 144 means 12 square. A equal to 13 here, and b equal to 12, means a is less than b. A is less than means it is both are a is greater than b, sorry, a is 13 means a is greater than b. It is first case and it is second. Okay, it is first standard form, a is greater than b. It is a second standard form. First third problem emo second standard form. Here a is less than b, here a is greater than b, b value takku. Okay, it is first standard form, it is the second standard form. Recollect the formulas and substitute in the formulas, a value, b value, you get the answer. Complete your homework problems and complete your fair notes also. If you have any doubts, send me a message or call to me. Thank you.